Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
And a special good evening to Nagappan, whose speech I am going to evaluate. Nothing is working was the speech title of Nagappan's speech under Appraise with Praise, project number 2 from the manual, Speeches by Management. And I felt this was appropriate for this particular speech. The topic that he had selected and the title was appropriate for the speech that he delivered, which meets the objectives of this particular speech. Nagappan had prepared immensely for this particular speech. He was ready with everything, and he had even briefed the timer that he wanted 3 separate sequences in his speech to be timed differently. For example, he had his own contents initially, which was the briefing about what he is going to do, and that was timed separately. Then he had a role play where he had briefed Toastmaster Anurag on what should he say, and both had enacted that role play quite well, as we all would agree. And that part went rather well within the time again. And finally, he summed it up, and he was well within the time, overall time of 5 to 7 minutes. So he was ready, he had prepared that well, and that was seen here in this particular time management. All speeches have some scope of improvement, and what could be improved in this particular speech. I was sitting rather at the back, and I couldn't hear portions of the speech quite well. Both Nagappan and Anurag spoke in softer volume, which could not be heard by me at times, and especially when there was an aircraft passing, I could hear nothing that was going on. Did you hear them well when you were in the front row? You could hear them well. Maybe at the back we had challenge because of the distance. So I suggest both of you raise your volume when there is something like an aircraft passing, so that it nulls the challenge made by the volume of aircraft. I felt that Nagappan demonstrated the how part rather well. He had the role play. The objective of that was to offer support to empower them, that is the employees, to change, or whoever was the person chosen in the role play to change. And he had a dummy role play about some store, Chroma, trying to compete with online stores, and that was the challenge posed by the person who was the role player. And Nagappan dealt with that quite well. The challenge was that online stores are eating away into their revenue as well as profits. And he dealt with that by saying, you can always tell them that there is a challenge in returning something, or the service takes 15 days. So he did that part quite well. Overall, the question for all of us is to ask ourselves is, was this evaluation technique effective? Would you rather have feedback from someone like Nagappan, who uses a CRC approach, recommend, comment approach? Well, you have a challenge. So I am asking you this question. Did you like the approach that he had chosen? Yes? Therein lies the answer. Congratulations, Nagappan.